Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the video and immediately revealing the full description. Make sure you tap or click, show more so nothing is hidden. Once done, scan from top to bottom looking for obvious URLs and timecode links like 0, 45 that often link to sections. You should also watch for shortened URLs or plain text handles that may need copying. Doing this first saves time and prevents missing nested links placed deeper in the description. Next, you identify and verify each link you find. Hover or long press to preview the destination without leaving the page. If you see shorteners or tracking strings, make sure the domain looks legitimate and not misspelled, because scammers often rely on tiny changes. Once you suspect a useful link, copy-paste it into a new tab to confirm it loads correctly and to strip tracking parameters if you prefer cleaner URLs. This step protects you. Finally, you save the validated links into a note or bookmark folder, labeling each with a short description and timestamp so you can return quickly. If a link doesn't open, try copying it again, removing extra spaces, or checking the creator's pinned comment for corrected links. Sometimes owners update there. If problems persist, clear your cache or use a different browser, and report any clearly malicious links to the platform to protect others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.